Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Jetboil is probably one of the most versatile and efficient cooking systems available for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a compact and lightweight solution for preparing hot meals and beverages wherever your adventures take you. Whether you're backpacking through remote wilderness, camping at a scenic spot, or even just enjoying a day hike, this innovative stove is designed to boil water in record time, saving you precious fuel and valuable time. Its all-in-one design integrates the fuel source, burner, and cooking cup, making it incredibly easy to set up and use, even for beginners. The Jetboil system is engineered for performance in various conditions, ensuring you can enjoy a warm meal or a hot drink no matter the weather. Number 5. Jetboil Zip Camping Stove Cooking System. Experience rapid water boiling in just over 2 minutes. This innovative system uses half the fuel of traditional methods, making your cooking quicker and more economical. The 0.8-liter cooking cup, featuring our advanced flux ring technology, comes with an insulating cozy. It makes boiling water effortless and keeps it warm for longer. The bottom cover serves a dual purpose as both a measuring cup and a bowl. This smart design helps save valuable space in your backpack for other essentials. Enhance your cooking experience with compatible accessories like a coffee press or skillet. This system is designed to be a versatile necessity for all your backpacking trips. Weighing only 12 ounces, it's incredibly easy to pack and carry. It includes a fuel canister stabilizer and a convenient lid with a pour spout and strainer. Whether it's an alpine expedition or a weekend trek, this stove is designed to keep you fueled. A compact and efficient stove is fundamental for any backcountry exploration. What we like. This one is all about simplicity and efficiency. It boils water incredibly fast with minimal fuel. If you're a solo backpacker or just need a quick hot drink on the trail without any fuss, this is your go-to. Its lightweight design means it won't weigh you down on long treks. What people say. It's compact and fits in the bag very well, has a knob for the gas so you can stop it or lower it for safety. The fire it produces is also consistent and stable. It boils water very, very quickly. Stores up completely within itself, gas can too. Stays cool to touch on the outside, from the neoprene sleeve, even though the contents inside are boiling. Put together or taken apart in under a minute. The Jetboil Zip is smaller than its predecessors and is a fuel miser. I can get 13 to 15 full pot boils on one 110G fuel canister. The whole unit packs tightly and neatly into itself and takes up a small amount of space in my pack. It is sturdy. I do not worry about damaging it while it's in my pack, and I don't go out of my way to be extra careful with it around the campsite. I love the fact that I never need a windscreen with the Jetboil. The construction is such that you do not need one. Number 4. Jetboil MiniMo Camping Stove. Experience rapid boiling in just over 2 minutes, thanks to advanced flux ring technology. It uses significantly less fuel than traditional methods, saving you resources on your adventures. Enjoy versatile cooking with precise heat adjustments, from a gentle simmer to a full boil. This allows you to prepare a variety of meals, including sautéing and simmering. Its integrated metal handles and optimized cooking cup make it ideal for cooking and eating directly from the vessel. Enjoy the convenience of a personal cooking solution. Get started heating instantly with the reliable push-button igniter. When not in use, the burner stores sideways, saving valuable space in your pack. This cooking system includes the stove, cooking cup, lid, bottom cover, fuel can stabilizer, and pot support. All you need to add is your jet power fuel. What we like. This option offers much more control over your cooking. You can go from a rolling boil to a gentle simmer, perfect for more than just boiling water. If you enjoy cooking more elaborate meals or want to sauté ingredients while camping, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. It's compact, easy to use, easily cook with other cookware and fuel efficient. Boiled 2 cups of water in under 5 minutes with wind, does exactly what it says it does and what I need it to do. This little stove is a workhorse. It'll boil 16 ounces of water in 2 minutes or so. Heating water for oatmeal is a breeze and it's good to go for warming up canned soups. Number 3. Jettle Portable Electric Kettle. Introducing the Jettle Electric Kettle, your perfect travel companion. This portable heater is designed for your convenience, whether you need hot water for coffee, tea, or a quick meal on the go. It heats water quickly, typically within 2 to 10 minutes, depending on how much you fill it. For the fastest results, aim for about 75% capacity, providing near boiling temperatures ideal for your favorite hot beverages or instant meals. Easily select from 12 precise temperature settings, ranging from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, all displayed on a clear LED screen. This allows for controlled heating and accuracy, ensuring your water is just the right temperature every time. Its slim and compact design makes it incredibly easy to pack in your luggage, backpack, or even a desk drawer. Weighing only 1.54 pounds, it's lightweight and convenient for use anywhere, anytime. Safety is paramount with its auto shut-off feature that activates when the water boils. It also includes dry boil and overheat protection for added peace of mind, especially in compact spaces. The integrated steam vent automatically manages pressure during heating, eliminating the need to open the lid. Just ensure the lid is fully closed and the vent is clear for safe and efficient operation. What we like. This is designed for precision and convenience, especially for individual servings. With multiple temperature settings and an easy-to-read display, it's perfect for those who want exact temperatures for their coffee, tea, or instant meals. If you travel frequently or need a compact solution for your dorm or office, this is a great pick. What people say. It boils pretty quickly. I haven't timed it, but I'd guess it's about 2 to 3 minutes. There's an adjustable temperature display, and only 2 buttons, so it's easy to use, and you're not committed to a full boil in order to have hot water. It works well and brings the water to a boil faster than my kettle at home, which is great. Cord length is long enough to easily plug in and use at different locations around the kitchen. The kettle heats up quickly and efficiently, making it perfect for my morning brew and handy for heating water for ramen and tea throughout the day. Its compact size made it easy to pack and ideal for the limited space in a cruise cabin. Number 2. Jettle Portable Electric Kettle. Introducing the Jettle Electric Kettle, your perfect companion for hot beverages and meals on the go. This portable heater is designed for your convenience, wherever your travels take you. Enjoy hot water in just 2 to 10 minutes, depending on how much you fill it. It's ideal for quickly preparing your favorite coffee, tea, or instant meals, ensuring you never have to wait long for a warm drink. With an easy-to-read LED display, you can select from 12 precise temperature settings. This allows for controlled heating, ensuring your beverage is always at the perfect temperature for optimal enjoyment. Its slim and lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to pack in your luggage or backpack. Despite its compact size, it offers ample capacity for single servings, making it perfect for personal use. Safety is paramount with its automatic shut-off and boil-dry protection. These features ensure peace of mind, especially in compact spaces, while the integrated steam vent adds to its user-friendly operation. Operating it is effortless, simply turn it on and wait a few minutes to enjoy your hot drink. The built-in steam valve means no need to manually adjust anything, offering a hassle-free experience. What we like. This is designed for precision and convenience, especially for individual servings. With multiple temperature settings and an easy-to-read display, it's perfect for those who want exact temperatures for their coffee, tea, or instant meals. If you travel frequently or need a compact solution for your dorm or office, this is a great pick. What people say. It boils pretty quickly. I haven't timed it, but I'd guess it's about 2 to 3 minutes. There's an adjustable temperature display, and only 2 buttons, so it's easy to use, and you're not committed to a full boil in order to have hot water. It works well and brings the water to a boil faster than my kettle at home, which is great. Cord length is long enough to easily plug in and use at different locations around the kitchen. The kettle heats up quickly and efficiently, making it perfect for my morning brew and handy for heating water for ramen and tea throughout the day. Its compact size made it easy to pack and ideal for the limited space in a cruise cabin. Number 1. Jetboil Genesis Basecamp Stove System. Introducing a versatile cooking solution for your adventures. It functions as a standalone stove or can be expanded for even more cooking power. Effortlessly prepare any meal, from simple to gourmet. Its adjustable flame control allows for precise simmering or rapid boiling. Experience incredible heat output, boiling water in just over 3 minutes. It's designed to perform even in cold conditions. When it's time to pack up, the burners fold neatly inside the pot. This compact system saves valuable space for any outdoor trip. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for cooking. It's compatible with standard propane canisters for convenient fuel. What we like. This is for those who need to cook for a crowd or enjoy more elaborate camp meals. With 2 powerful burners and included cookware, it functions like a portable kitchen. If you're camping with family or friends and want to prepare full meals efficiently, this system is perfect for you. What people say. Heats very fast. The compact size and nice carry case are very convenient. Works great, with flame control and excellent heat output for cooking and/or reheating. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.